Hey, what's up everybody? So welcome back to my channel. In today's video, it's going to be a bit different because I'm just going to share my personal reasons not buying a new AirPod 2. Please check this out first before considering buying one. Well, as you might already know about the capabilities of the first generation of the AirPods, that 5 hours charging to the case will make the case stay up to 24 hours, which you can use for the whole day. So, why upgrading? Let's move on to the top 3 reasons why I am not buying the second generation of AirPods. Okay, so the first reason is the price. With the old AirPods, the price is about $180 based in my country, while the new one with the charging case is $200. But the wireless charging case is up to $260, which is very expensive. If I consider buying one, how about my current AirPods? Should I throw it away and stop using it forever? It's okay if there is a possibility to trade this second generation of the AirPods and the first generation, but if there's no trading, I don't think it is worth upgrading. Number 2, improvement. I don't see much improvement on the new generation of the AirPods. As claimed, the new one has H1 chip, which is 1.5 times faster, and generally provide a more stable wireless connection to devices like iPhones and iPads, making them to twice as fast when switching between active devices. While the old generation of the AirPods is equipped with W1 chip. Yes, as I mentioned, it is 1.5 times slower than the new generation. Another point which is also worth mentioning is wireless charging. Is that really worth upgrading? I don't think so, because with wireless charging mat, you still need to plug the power brick to the power socket, which is not really far different from charging the AirPods, the first generation AirPods, through the cable. It's exactly the same. There's nothing that you can see. What's the point of having the wireless charging unless you have a wireless charging brick or wireless charging socket? Because by having this, you just have your AirPods placed directly on the socket without having or plugging in the power brick and then using the and then putting the AirPods on the mat, which is the same process, and I think it's more process to proceed. Last but not least is the features. So what is new in the AirPods 2? Well, there is one new added feature, which is Hey Siri, which is not really important to me. Can you tell me, is there any big difference between Hey Siri and double tap on the earbuds? Nope, I still can wake my Siri through physical action. What I can do is just to simply double tap the earbuds. To sum up, I'm pretty disappointed to see slight improvement on the AirPods 2. What I had expected was the change of color of the AirPods, like black color. More physical actions on the earbuds, like increasing and decreasing the volume, skip the songs, and so on and so forth. Decreasing and increasing the volume is really important, because again, what's the point of taking out your phone and decrease it physically? Okay, because for example, if I place my phone in my pocket and then I'm on motorbike, riding a motorbike, and I want to decrease the volume, what should I do? I still need to hand the phone and decrease it on the go, which is not really convenient, which is not like what Samsung has produced. I hate to say Samsung in this video, but it is true. So what I learned from this new generation is nothing. So staying with the old version is more perfection for me. So this video is just for my reasons only If you have any other reasons, just let me know in the comment down below. And one more thing is, if you don't own a pair of AirPods, I think it's time for you to consider to buy whether the first generation or the second generation. But if you already own one, you should wait for the third generation of the AirPods. Okay, so let me know in the comments down below what you think about the first, the second generation of the AirPods. If you already have the experience using the second generation of the AirPods, you're welcome to share in the comment down below. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Thank you.